Okay, so let's check the answers for that worksheet where you were doing the shaded areas. Number 1, 13.76. Number 2, 5.375. Problem 3, 10.535. Problem 4, 48.375. Problem 5, 30.96. Problem 6 is 86. Problem 7 is 7.74. Problem 8 is 3.44. And problem 9 is 17.415. Okay, if you didn't miss any, you can go ahead and stop the video, review your formulas, and work on the homework check. If you are missing any of these, just fast forward to the ones you missed because I'm now going to go through them all. Okay, so for number 1, the square is 8 times 8, or 64. The circle is pi times the radius of 4 squared, and that's 50.24. And you're going to subtract to get the answer. Number 2, the square is 5 times 5, or 25. Now, half of 5 would be 2.5. So when you do your radius, you're going to do 2.5 times 2.5. And then multiply that answer by pi, and you're going to get a circle area of 19.625. And subtract. Number 3, the square, length times width, 7 times 7 is 49. The radius would be 3.5. So pi times 3.5 squared is 38.465 for the circle. Subtract, and you get your shaded part. Number 4, 15 times 15 is 225. Think about the radius. 15 divided by 2 would make that 7.5. So 3.14 times 7.5 squared is 176.625. Subtract for the shaded area. Number 5, 12 times 12 is 144 with a radius of 6, 3.14 times 6 squared. You're going to subtract 113.04 for the circle, leaving you 30.96 for the shaded. Problem 6, 20 times 20 is 400. Half of 400 is 10. So you're going to take 3.14 and you're going to multiply that by 10 times 10, which is 100. You end up with 314 for the circle, and you get 86 for the shaded. Okay, number 7, the square is 6 times 6, or 36, giving you a radius of 3. 3 times 3 is 9, multiplied by pi is 28.26. Subtract out the circle, and you get 7.74 for the shaded. Number 8, square is 4 times 4, or 16. The circle would be 3.14 times 2 squared, 12.56. The shaded is 3.44. The square, 9 times 9 is 81. Ooh, what's half of 9? 4.5. So 4.5 squared multiplied by pi is 63.585, giving you a shaded of 17.415. And I did go through those pretty fast. Hopefully you paused and showed work and figured out what you had any trouble with. Once you're feeling okay with this and have reviewed all the formulas, especially the triangle and the trapezoid, go ahead and do the homework check.